How did the first assembly line revolutionize production? Have you ever wondered how the assembly line changed the way we make things? This innovation transformed production methods and reshaped industries. Let's take a closer look at this fascinating development. The first assembly line introduced a step-by-step process for assembling products. This method replaced the older craft-based system where one person or a small team built an entire product. That earlier method was slow and costly. In 1901, Ransom Olds developed the first stationary assembly line. Workers stood along a line, each doing a specific task on a product that stayed in place. This setup allowed Olds' company to produce cars much faster and at a lower cost. Then, in 1913, Henry Ford took this idea further by creating the moving assembly line. Instead of keeping the product still, the vehicle chassis moved along a conveyor belt. Each worker added parts in a fixed order. This change cut the assembly time of the Model T from over 12 hours to just about 90 minutes. The moving assembly line also made it easier to use interchangeable parts. This meant that repairs and production became simpler and more efficient. The impact of this new production method was huge. It allowed for mass production of goods, making items like cars affordable for many people, not just the wealthy. This shift changed society by making transportation accessible to a larger population. Additionally, the assembly line changed labor practices. Tasks became standardized, which increased productivity. Companies could then pay higher wages. Ford famously introduced a $5 workday, attracting a stable workforce. In the context of the industrial and digital revolutions, the assembly line was a key milestone. It marked a shift towards mechanizing production and emphasized efficiency and specialization. The principles established by the assembly line still influence modern manufacturing and automation today. In summary, the first assembly line revolutionized production by increasing speed, lowering costs, and making goods accessible to more people. It set the stage for the future of manufacturing and continues to impact how we produce items in our world today.